Good afternoon, friends. My friend Prashant Bhai came from USA and he did his hair transplantation few days back. Just he came today to meet me. He will share his experience why he has chosen India and why he wanted to go to Turkey and he wanted to get his hair transplantation done in Turkey and why he has chosen India. His brother has done transplant with me and his few friends has done from Turkey. So he will explain everything. Prashant Bhai, please.
It's nice, good pleasure to do the surgery here. Very nice experience. See the more result from the turkey is not as that I see here, and got a good recommendation from my cousin Akshay Patel, and we did the surgery. Very nice, smooth surgery. Doctor is good and very confident. Nothing to worried. No painkiller, nothing like that. I'm highly recommended. Please contact Dr. Shah that you're gonna get the 100% result, and please recommend more people too. This is a good place. Don't waste your money in a Turkey. Very expensive and is not worth it at all. It's worth more money in here and very confident, very familiar, and you feel like that you are working not with the doctor, with your own brother, something like that. They take care of you very well. Thank you.
So you have been here for quite a few days, probably three, four, five times. You have just come and meet me. You have seen multiple patients here.
Yeah.
How was your experience and how were the experience here? Because people still have a resistance or taboo before going to India. They feel that we should go or not. So what is your experience about Indian and Indian doctors?
There's more concern, like me and my wife was talking that okay, we are not confident to do the surgery in India because people are talking that oh, in India is not more confidence. We have quite debates that we should do it, not do it. But after even the day on a surgery, I was little bit afraid that how is gonna be and what's gonna happening. But after the surgery start and after everything is done, I'm 100% confident that India great doctor. Dr. Shah works good, and we should do it. Just give a chance. You're gonna feel 100% confidence. Very happy, and you're gonna recommend it 1,000 people. I'm sure. I already have 3 people in a line, and 2 people from Australia and one from the Canada. They already contact me. 2 people came last night to visit me to see the result and everything, and they everybody happy. And now they have a confidence. People before they think, oh, this is gonna be the surgical, and they scare. Now they know I done it. We should do it too.
Did you find any pain or swelling or infection which people talks about that after surgery you have to sleep like this, you cannot wash your head, you have to take care, the swelling, lots of swelling will be there, you will have tremendous pain after surgery. What is your experience about the procedure?
That's I heard from the Turkey. My couple of friends went. They said it's going to be a lot of pain. You have to take medicine. You cannot travel. Maybe swallowing or like maybe all side like side effects. Here, the surgery done by doctor, no pain. I didn't take no single medicine. And from straight right after the surgery done, I went to the dinner. And next day I went to shopping and pick up and everything for a whole day by myself. Nothing. Till is I think is the third day or fourth day. I did not take any single medicine for pain. Only I take is the recommended by doctor. That's all I did.
Thank you
So
so
it's
much
very good.
for trusting me, Prashant Bhai. Thank you so much to Akshay Bhai. He has trusted me, and it is my pleasure that you can go anywhere, even in US. You can go to Turkey, and you are choosing me. That is my pleasure, and I am very much thankful that my own people, my brothers from India, they are choosing now their medical procedures to be done in India. So thank you so much, friends. If you have any query, if you have any problem, now India and Ahmedabad is becoming first choice for hair transplantation across the globe. Thank you so much, friends.
Thank you.